Orlando, Florida. Most people take no for an answer, but not this Ross customer. After being denied a discount, she acted like a child by staging her own protest at the checkout. Store employees ask her to go, but she's not moving. Even when the police arrive, she keeps arguing, turning a simple request into a drawn-out ordeal. Let's break it all down.
I'm right behind you.
Recently get my shoe.
I got it. Let's go.
Try your shoe. Come on. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
So I have this lady here. She was
How's it
trying
going?
to buy merchandise. Unfortunately, I cannot give her a discount. When she said her brother, I have to follow Ross policy. She does not want to leave the store, and I'm gonna have to trespass.
Okay. Ma'am. Can you hear me? Okay. You have to leave the store, all right?
Hard of hearing, so.
Well, you gotta leave the store, all right? If you refuse to leave, you'll be subject to arrest. Okay? You have an ID on you? Can I get your ID?
I'm gonna say no, like everybody else is telling me no.
You said what? Are you refusing to leave? Like I said, if you do not leave, you'll be placed under arrest. Okay? They're asking you to leave. They're not going to give you the discount. Okay? Are you refusing to leave? I'm going to give you one more time.
It's ridiculous.
How is it ridiculous?
I just want a discount.
You just want a what?
A discount. I don't get, they give their employees discounts, and my boyfriend works for the company and he has my money. Okay? So I don't have the money.
Well, they're not going to give any discounts.
But they won't, well, okay, that's fine. That's fine if they won't get the discount, but they won't hold the close for me.
They don't have to hold the clothes for you. Okay?
I mean,
It's just what?
it's absolutely insane.
Okay? So you have to leave the store. Okay? There's nothing I can do about it. Stand by. So you refuse to leave, you're going to be placed under arrest, okay? For trespass after warning. I've given you more.
Trespassing.
Yes, you are.
I'm allowed to be in the store.
Not if they're asking you to leave.
Yeah,
She told you to leave.
to the
You're not going to be able to speak to the owner of Ross. You got one more time. I'm going to ask you one more time. And if you do not leave, you're going to be placed under arrest.
You're gonna hurt me.
You're just gonna go to jail.
Please don't hurt me. Like I'm not doing anything wrong.
Next comes me next.
If you do not leave,
So will you hurt me if I don't leave?
I will place you under arrest.
Will you hurt me? I don't want to be hurt. Okay. You guys really
They wanna prostitute?
harass me for
Yeah.
trying to get a discount.
But this is waste.
You guys want to prosecute, right?
Because this is, we're gonna be here. This is nonsense.
Do you guys want to prosecute if he doesn't leave?
I'm sorry.
Do you want to prosecute if he doesn't leave?
Prosecute press charges.
Yes.
Can I contact my store manager about this?
If you say you guys don't want to press charges, we are going to leave without telling her, without removing her from the property. If you guys want to press charges, we'll place her under arrest for trespass after warning.
Okay. Let me verify with him, and then I'll have you. Thank you, guys. What's your name?
All right, they're calling their store manager. If you do not leave by the time they get off the phone with him, you're going to be under arrest.
So if I have to be this way, I just want a
Doesn't.
discount.
You need to leave.
We're telling you to leave.
I just want a discount.
You don't just get discounts because you want a discount. So you can leave or you can be placed under arrest if they want to prosecute. It's as simple as that, ma'am.
You're seriously gonna arrest me for trying to get
What discount are you wanting?
My boyfriend gets 20% off and he works here.
Okay, your boyfriend is not here.
He will be here after 7 p.m. So I'll be here till he gets here.
You're gonna, if he's really your boyfriend, you're gonna make him lose his job.
Okay, well then I'm not gonna, just give me a discount.
No one's going to give you a discount, okay? So you can either leave or you're going to leave in handcuffs and you're going to go to jail for trespassing.
I'm gonna go to jail for wanting a discount.
For trespassing. That's why you're going to go to jail.
Wanting a discount. So
Okay.
Like all I'm asking for is a discount. That's all I want. I just
Well,
want a
the discount's
discount,
not gonna happen.
or I want them to hold my clothes. That's all I want.
Okay.
She wouldn't provide ID either.
I asked her and she.
So this is going to be another charge.
I will give you my ID. You're gonna charge me for not giving you my ID.
I'm letting you know, you're free to leave right now, but once they tell us that they want to prosecute, you're going to be placed under arrest. Just so you know, so nothing's a surprise to you.
What does that mean? What is
Asked you multiple times to
what
leave.
is process? What is
Trespass after warning.
They want to press charges for trespass after
It
warning.
means they want you to leave the store and you won't leave the store.
What will happen?
You go to jail.
How long will I be in jail?
So someone bails you out.
So you bail out.
$1,000 bond.
So I'm gonna go to jail because I'm
So right now
trying
you
to
can leave
get
the
a
store and you won't go to jail.
Like I said, you're free to leave right now, but
But I
once
want
we
to.
get
I
told
want to just buy these clothes.
that they want to press charges, you're going to be in handcuffs and you're going to be in the back of the car.
I just want to get a discount.
You're not getting a discount.
Or I want to hold these clothes so my boyfriend can get
You're not getting a discount.
Okay, I don't have money. My boyfriend has.
You're not. We just told you you're not getting a discount. You don't have
I
money. You don't have a
get
reason to be inside the store.
That's fine, but
Then leave.
I don't have the money.
Okay, so that means you can't buy the clothes, so you need to leave.
My boyfriend.
Then you can call your boyfriend and tell him to purchase the clothes when he comes to work, if he still has a job after this nonsense.
It is nonsense. You guys like.
No, the way you're acting is nonsense. You're a grown woman. You need to walk out and leave so you don't go to jail. Have you ever been to jail before?
I'm not gonna go to jail. I don't want to go to jail. Just can you please talk this through? Like, what can I do? What else can I do?
We've talked it through
There's
already.
gotta
We've told
be.
you what is going to happen.
There's gotta be another solution, please. Sorry? Please tell me there's another solution.
There is no other solution. You can leave right now because you're not under arrest. They're asking you just to leave the store.
I don't want to get arrested for
You're-
wanting a discount.
You're not going to get arrested for wanting a discount. You're going to get arrested for trespass after warning. Right now, you can leave the store.
But like, are you gonna hurt me if I don't?
Nobody's going to hurt you. You can leave the store right now.
Yeah. It ain't a secret. My thing's recording too.
So I have to go to jail.
You do.
No, you have to leave the store. If you don't leave the store, then you have to go to jail.
So okay, I
Yeah,
have,
okay.
okay. So if I do not leave, I just want to make sure I'm understanding. Do you tell me my Miranda rights?
You're not detained.
What's the Miranda?
There's no reason to read Miranda
What is
for
this?
trespass after warning.
Okay. So what? All right. So we don't have to read the Miranda rights. Okay. What? So okay. Let's. I don't want to go to jail. What else can I do?
If you don't want to go to
besides-
jail, you can just leave the store. It's that
What
easy.
else can I do besides do that?
All right, perfect, you guys. Thank you. We're trespassing.
I just want to buy these clothes. I don't.
Okay, then you can buy the clothes, but they're not giving you a discount.
I don't. My boyfriend has my money. So I can't buy the clothes.
Okay, so you can't buy the clothes. So then you'll have to leave the clothes here until you get
They
money to
won't
buy
let
them.
me. They won't. That's what they won't let me.
They want to push charges.
Let's go. Stop resisting.
You're gonna hurt me. You're gonna
Yeah, we
hurt me.
know. Stop resisting.
I'm not. I'm not.
Thanks. Get up.
resisting. I'm
You
not.
want to
resisting.
do it behind the back right there? All right. Did you get your
All right,
headphones
I'll
back?
leave, please.
Nope,
I'll
too late.
leave.
Nope. Too
I'll
late.
leave.
Nope. We already gave you plenty of ample warnings.
She also has a charge.
Yeah, I know. I heard you.
Thank you so much.
We just can't charge her with that because she won't walk past my stairs. We'll get it for you.
We told you that you'd be placed under arrest, and you just wanted to sit there and record on your phone. Because you thought we were bluffing.
Can I have my phone?
Nope.
You're detained now.
Nope. I need my phone. I need to record what you're doing to me right
We're
now.
recording right now.
For wanting a discount, can you please just give me your
Get up.
phone? So you're taking my phone from me. You're taking my phone from me? Like, So you're
Ma'am, can you
wait,
walk?
you're
Thank you.
taking all my belongings?
They're gonna go
Wait,
with
no.
you. Your belongings are gonna go with you.
Then what? Then what are they gonna do?
It's gonna go in your
What are they?
property.
I need my stuff.
Can you
I need
walk
my
so
stuff.
we
That's
don't-
my phone. Like I need my
Yes.
things. You
Ma'am?
can't take my things from me. Though.
We're not
Like
taking your
please,
things.
my stuff is over there, and I want it. And
Coming with us.
I
Can you stand up so we don't have to drive you?
please don't do this.
Told you. What was gonna happen?
I'm right behind you.
Instantly get my shoe.
I got it. Let's go.
Try your shoe. Come on.
Stop tensing up. You're gonna get another charge.
Listen, can you walk so you don't get hurt?
Are you gonna hurt? So you're
No
gonna
one wants to hurt
me?
you.
Come on, please, like, don't hurt me. Like,
This is my phone.
You're the other way. Do you want us to take it?
We're already here.
Ma'am?
It's better just
Yeah,
keep it
we're
up.
gonna get a resisting too.
come on, you're gonna hurt me.
You're gonna hurt yourself.
Don't hurt
No
me.
one is trying to hurt you.
Please don't hurt me.
Alright. Sit in that
Anything on you? Yeah. Okay. Let's go.
Can I please put that with us down?
No, but you're gonna free ride to the Orange County Jail.
River leg.
She's caught on me.
I just want a discount. I just want a discount. I just want a
Let's
discount.
just grab.
Please, I just
What we're gonna
I
do
just want a
is
discount.
we're gonna put her in the car backwards, right? And then you're gonna go on the other side of the car and pull her in by her legs.
You're gonna hurt me because I want a discount. You're seriously gonna hurt me because I want a discount.
Got her. Ready? Yeah.
You're hurting me. My arm, my arm, my arm, my arm.
Stop resisting.
Okay, go on the other side of the car.
Got her?
I won't resist. I'm sorry. Okay.
I'll get you the statement.
Candace was charged with resisting officer without violence and trespass on property after warning. Her bond was set for $2,000.
I told you stop balling up your fish, right?
Let's take a closer look at what happened and where things went wrong. We'll review the actions of both the suspect and the officers, highlighting key moments that led to the arrest. How did it escalate to this point? Could it have been handled differently? Let's break it down. The officers clearly stated the trespass warning. When the officers arrived, they properly issued a trespass warning, explaining that if the suspect did not leave, she would be subject to arrest. They also reinforced that the business has the right to ask anyone to leave. This is important because a clear trespass warning makes it legally official that the suspect isn't allowed back. The officers maintained a calm and controlled demeanor while dealing with this woman. She was given multiple chances to leave before being arrested. The officers repeatedly told her what would happen if she refused. The officers clearly stated that she was being arrested for trespassing after being warned, not for asking for a discount. This is important because some people try to twist the story to make it seem like they were arrested for something small. The officers made sure to explain that the real reason was her refusal to leave after being told to go. This customer did everything wrong. She was told numerous times that she had to leave, but continued to argue. Instead of standing up like a grown woman and leaving so she doesn't get arrested, she continued to argue for a discount even after being told it wasn't an option.
You can either leave or you're gonna leave in handcuffs.
What is trespass after warning? Trespassing after warning happens when a person is legally told to leave private property but refuses. This is the Florida law for trespass after warning. The business must ask the person to leave. In Florida, a verbal warning from the business owner or officer is usually enough. The person must refuse to leave after being warned. Officers must clearly explain the trespass warning and what will happen if they don't leave. The person must continue to remain on the property after the warning. The business must agree to press charges. When police respond to a call, they never know what to expect. A simple situation can quickly turn into something much more serious, and officers have to make fast decisions to keep themselves and the public safe. At the end of the day, law enforcement's job is to protect the public while handling unpredictable situations. How things play out depends on the actions of both officers and the people involved. 12 On Scene is an unbiased channel that provides fair and factual breakdowns of police interactions. We analyze what went right, what went wrong, and how these situations unfold. This channel does not support resisting arrest or any other illegal actions, nor does it support law enforcement officers who misuse their authority. Our goal is to provide a clear and balanced perspective. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Could this situation have been handled differently? Do you think the officers did a great job? If you've enjoyed this video and would like to see more police breakdowns, make sure to subscribe to support this channel.